Hello everyone, my name is Vlad Catrinescu and welcome to my course Microsoft 365 Security Concepts. I'm a Microsoft MVP in both PowerShell and Office 365 from Montreal, Canada. There are now over 180 million monthly active users on Office 365 and over 90% of the Fortune 500 is using at least one Microsoft cloud service. So it's important for any IT professional and business user to know what Microsoft offers from a cloud computing perspective. This course will focus on the security pillar of Microsoft 365 and cover why it's one of the most secure cloud offerings available. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include securing user accounts with Active Directory, securing mobile devices with Microsoft Intune, and staying compliant with Microsoft 365. By the end of this course, you'll know all the different security tools and services that are part of the Microsoft 365 suite and what they do. You'll also understand what parts of your tenant security Microsoft is responsible of and which ones are in your hands. This course is a beginner level, so there are no specific prerequisites before listening. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Microsoft Cloud Services with the Microsoft 365 Security Concepts course at Pluralsight.